Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is a force? The invisible pushes and pulls shaping your world. Right now, as you sit there, something invisible is pulling you down. Another force is holding you up. Tiny forces are holding your body together, and enormous forces are shaping entire planets. You can't see them, you can't touch them, but they are everywhere, working constantly, quietly, powerfully. Today, you're going to understand what a force really is, not just as a definition, but as something alive, active, shaping every moment of your life. So slow down and imagine, because once you see forces, you'll never unsee them. Let's begin. Part 1. What is a force? At its simplest, a force is a push or a pull, but that simple idea hides something much deeper. A force is anything that can change motion. It can start movement, stop movement, speed it up, slow it down, or change direction. Even when nothing looks like it's happening, forces are still there. Working. Part 2. Forces are everywhere. Think about sitting in a chair. You are not falling through it. Why? Because the chair is pushing up while gravity pulls you down. Two forces, balanced, invisible, but real. Now, think about walking. Every step you push against the ground, and the ground pushes back. That push is what moves you forward. Part 3. Types of forces. There are many types of forces, but let's focus on the ones you experience every day. Gravity, the force that pulls everything toward the earth. Friction, the force that resists motion. Normal force, the support force from surfaces. Tension, the force carried through ropes or strings. And applied force, a push or pull from an object or person. Each one acts differently, but all of them follow the same idea. They change motion. Part 4. Gravity. Gravity is always there, pulling, constant, unstoppable. It's why objects fall, why planets orbit, why you stay grounded. Even when you jump, gravity is already pulling you back. Part 5. Friction. Friction is the force that slows things down. Without it, you couldn't walk. Cars couldn't stop. Objects would slide forever. Friction may seem like resistance, but it's essential. It gives you control. Part 6. Balanced and unbalanced forces sometimes. Forces cancel each other out. These are balanced forces. Nothing moves or motion stays constant. Other times, one force is stronger. These are unbalanced forces. And that's when motion changes. That's when things accelerate. Part 7. Force and motion. Every time something speeds up, slows down, or changes direction, a force is involved. No exceptions. Motion doesn't change on its own. There is always a cause, always a force. Part 8. Newton's Insight. One of the most important ideas came from Isaac Newton. He realized that force and motion are connected, that objects resist changes unless a force acts on them, and that is why forces matter. They explain change. Part 9. Invisible but powerful. Forces are strange because you don't see them. You see the results, the falling apple, the moving car, the bending tree. But behind each of those is an invisible interaction, a force. Acting. Part 10. Forces at different scales. Forces don't just act on big objects. They exist at every scale. Inside atoms, between particles, across galaxies, the same concept, from the smallest to the largest. Now, pause, look around. Every object you see is experiencing forces. Every movement, every subtle moment is shaped by forces. Even your own body. Standing, sitting, breathing, all guided by invisible pushes and pulls. Understanding forces changes how you see the world. It turns ordinary moments into something deeper, more connected, more meaningful. Because nothing moves without a reason, and that reason is force. So the next time you drop something, take a step or simply sit still. Ask yourself, what forces are acting right now? What invisible interactions are shaping this moment? And as that question lingers, as your awareness shifts, as your perspective deepens, return to the beginning, to that first invisible pull, to that first unseen push, and ask again, what is a force? That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.